As a dentist and orthodontist, let me tell you what services can we provide you in Deutsche Align. Deutsche Align provide the dentist and orthodontist the best orthodontic device, which is the invisible braces, the famous name aligners. Time is the most important in the clear aligner treatment. So you as a dentist will receive our treatment plan report within 4 working days. Once you give us the approval, you will get the aligner package within 4 working days. You will receive a treatment plan report which is showing the perspective views for the patient before and after, and video animation showing our protocol which made by our clinical team, showing the teeth movement per setup in the video animation. Also you will get IBR report which is interproximal reduction if it's needed. We will provide you with all the educational content that you need to start the journey with your patient. Become a part of Deutsche Align family and book a free consultation. We are here for you.